go across to Bharat now. He tracks the auto space from Sharekhan. Bharat, in terms of Maruti, what is the sense that you get? News reports suggest that Maruti has a mega capex drive, and that will again, may help them maintain their market share.
Yeah, so good afternoon to the viewers. So definitely the capex plans look to be on the aggressive side. So normally we have a capex, yearly capex to the tune of about 4,000 to 4,500 crore from Maruti. But looking at the capex plan over the next 2 years, including the capacity expansion which will be done by Suzuki, it is about 13,000 to 14,000 crore. So clearly the theme line is launching. Bulk of it would go towards launching of new products. So I think they have said that they will launch about 12 new products, including the upgrades, over the next 2 years. So this is normally higher than what Maruti normally does. So clearly, in the wake of rising competition and to overall the product pipeline, which is so very essential to maintain market share, I think it's a step in the right direction.
Hi, Karunya as well joining in the conversation. Just want to understand, up until now, the management and a lot of people on the street have attributed Maruti's slight relative slowdown to the fact that they've not launched any new products in the recent many months, or upgraded or given facelifts to the existing ones. Going forward, now that they have a healthy pipeline, about 8 to 10 models to be launched over the next 2-3 years, do you think that will give the much required push when it comes to Maruti's volumes, and it will be once again upbeat?
Yeah, so if you see the last model launch which the company did was the new the third generation Swift, and that was done somewhere in January and February. So clearly it's a whole 1 year we have seen any new upgrade launch from Maruti. So basically what I think is that they had launched 2 to 3 new products in a very relatively short span of time, and they have given an entire year for the products to settle down in the mind of the customers and give the performance. And now it's an apt time to once again launch the new products and keep the customer excitement very high, which is so very essential for a market leader if it has to maintain its leadership position. So clearly it is doing that, and it will the first of the new products will be the Wagon R, which will see the launch. That's also a third generation Wagon R that will see the launch in next week or so. And after that we will have a couple of model launches in the compact segment as well, which is rightly in the favor of the market. And we have seen that especially in the wake of rising competition, this is the strategy which is required from a market leader.
Right, Bharat, in terms of price hikes, margins, what will the street wait out for once the Q3 numbers are out?
I think the Q3 numbers will be slightly disappointing because the sales were very muted in Q3. That is true for the entire passenger vehicle industry. The volumes were flat on relatively basis, and also if you see the discounting was on the higher side because the conflicts of events, negative events that is happened in the PV space. We had seen the insurance costs go up right at the beginning of the quarter, and then there is a pressure of on the PV or other should I say the all automakers to liquidate the year-end stocks. So discounts were relatively high in this quarter, and the quarter 3 last year was a very high margin base because the commodity prices were really not that high in last quarter. So if you see a lot of conflicts of bad events have happened, but I think from quarter 4 the margin will gradually improve.
Okay, Bharat, we'll leave it at that. Thank you so much for helping us understand what's going on at Maruti and what we expect from its Q3 performance.